guys, it's Tiffany, and today I want to help you create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, as well as free from stress, debt, and everything that comes with money. So, you guys are here because you want to learn about the Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. But before we begin, I do want to be transparent with you guys. I am very much a type A personality. I am highly organized and everything needs to be written out. I need to have a plan, so I have to know what comes next. I definitely can't fly by the seat of my pants like some people say. So this is why I have everything written out for you guys in my Google document. But just know that I did put in the time and effort to create a video for you guys to learn from that has value that I think you'll enjoy. So in this video, I'm going to show you my favorite and cheapest way to generate up to $500 a day as an Amazon affiliate without a website. I know what you're probably thinking, that, how can I get started without a website? How am I going to promote my link if I don't have anywhere to put it? But bear with me. As a bonus, if you guys hang out with me until the end, I'll share my high ticket affiliate program that let me triple what I make on Amazon in just under an hour. So let's talk real quick though about what an Amazon affiliate is. So as you guys know, Amazon is the largest online shopping site. Almost everything I do buy from Amazon. And if you guys stack Amazon Prime, which I think is like $12 a month or somewhere around $120 a year, you get your items delivered sometimes the next day and definitely no later than 2 days after you purchase. Plus you get free shipping. So if you guys are a habitual Amazon shopper like myself and my daughter, then $12 a month is relatively cheap compared to all of the shipping costs that you would have to pay. Another thing I want to let you guys know is I am actually on a first name basis with the Amazon drivers. And I'm pretty sure that my husband's going to divorce me if he comes home from work and finds another Amazon box. I don't hide them from him. He thinks it's funny. But just know that I do have deliveries probably every day from Amazon. So what is an Amazon affiliate? An affiliate for Amazon is essentially someone who promotes their favorite product or a product of interest, and you get a commission if someone buys from your link that you promote. So for example, I actually have a favorite webcam that I use that I purchased from Amazon that I just placed an order because my kids decided to play football in the house after, Crazy Mom came out and I told them not to. I actually love the webcam so much. The picture is clear, the sound quality, it cancels out noise reduction, the color is sharp, and it's just an all-around good camera from Amazon for the price. And I will go ahead and add that link at the bottom of this description so you guys can check it out if you do need a webcam. But I want to let you know that the one thing I don't like about Amazon is I think after about 6 months of no sales, they can decide to close your account. So essentially you will have to start over. And keep in mind that when you're just starting out, it could take some time to promote your link and get eyeballs and traffic, and then essentially take time to generate sales. But don't let that deter you because you guys can always reapply and just start again. So what is a way to generate income as an Amazon affiliate if you don't have a website? So what you guys are going to do is you're going to go to sites.google.com. So what this is it's essentially a blank page. You can talk about, rank, review, and whatever you want with a product. So as you can see, you can put your title, which would be the topic or product you want to talk about, and then add a picture here of your product. Down here in this empty space is where you're going to talk about your product as well. You can add images, banners, or everything from Amazon. And then so once someone clicks on your picture that they see or the link in your description, it's going to take them to Amazon via your tracking code, and then your sales will be tracked on the back end. So the one thing about Google is it does prefer other Google sites, and it will actually rank their own site higher than, let's say, if you guys paid and created a website, via WordPress or any other hosting site. So just make sure you guys do some research about a product to see if there's a demand for it, if this is something people are actively looking to purchase. Use Google Sites to write your description and add your pictures, and make sure you add your affiliate link in the description. And this is actually going to improve your chance of the Google crawlers understanding your site and ranking it at the top of Google. So I do want to show you the Amazon site really quick. If you don't already have an account with Amazon, you can go ahead and sign up. They're fairly easy and they don't take relatively a lot of time to get approved. I'm already an affiliate, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So I do have everything saved here. Okay, so then once you sign in, this is actually where you guys will be taken to. So this is actually my account, and then my nickname, what I called it. So you go to product linking. You can search via product. So if we come down here, we'll just go to webcam, since that's the one that I like. And then you'll find all of the products for you to promote. If there's a certain product you guys have in mind or one that you know you want to promote, you can go ahead and search for it. Then what you'll do is you'll just come over here and click on Get Link. You can choose from text and image. This is one of my favorites. This actually allows people to see what the product is. You do have the option of going with text only. Now keep in mind these links are very long and ugly. In the Amazon description that they give you, you are not allowed to change the link. You're not allowed to shorten it. You're not allowed to use another redirecting site such as Bitly. However, you are allowed to use their standard link or the short link. The short link is actually what I use just because it's prettier, it's shorter, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. You do have the option of going with image only. However, that does give you just the HTML code. Okay, so if we go back to text only and go to short link, then you'll just highlight it. I always like to double check and make sure that it's copied just in case. Then we can come back over to our Google site and then just add in a text box. And then we'll go ahead, sorry guys, I can't spell today, and write our description. Once we have a part we know we want to link for, so maybe we'll have the word webcam stand out. Come over here to insert link, and this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link from Amazon. And keep in mind this is the short link that we copied, which is approved by Amazon. So we'll go ahead and click apply. If we have any images or anything like that, we can certainly go ahead and add them. We can change the layout. This is one that I do like. I put my picture here, and then I'll go ahead and add my description. I do like to go ahead and give it a preview just to make sure everything is neat and pretty. Again, that goes back to my type A personality. We'll go ahead and hit publish. So we have to give it a web address. So let's try webcam. It'll tell me if it's taken, and I'll just keep trying. Okay, so we got a check mark, which means webcam gaming is available. So this right here is going to be our link that's going to show up when people click on the site. Okay, So we hit publish and now it's already out there. So this Google Sites is essentially a website from Google that allows us to rank higher and beat out the other sites such as WordPress and other sites like that. So I hope you guys really enjoyed learning about affiliate marketing for Amazon without a website. If you got value, then go ahead and like this video and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below, just letting me know if there's anything specific that you want me to talk about or you're interested in. And like I mentioned in the beginning, if you guys want to learn more about the system that does all of the work for you and it lets you keep 100% of your commission and it will actually triple the amount you make on Amazon, then go ahead and click that first link in the description and you'll learn more about my high ticket affiliate system. This system actually allowed me to tell my husband to work part-time, which in his line of work is actually kind of hard. He actually is in the restoration business, so water calls and flood damage, they don't have a 9-to-5 schedule. They're kind of when they happen, he has to go. But this has actually allowed us to spend more time with our kids, take vacations, all while I'm still able to bring in a significant income. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out, and I will see you on the next video.